So today we are going to talk about cost per clicks on YouTube ads, not Google ads, but on YouTube ads. So if you actually go on your YouTube, okay, let's just say this is your YouTube and this is your YouTube channel, and now you actually want to promote your YouTube videos. You know, if you go on your studio, YouTube studio right here, and you can actually start promoting your YouTube videos. And I would say some of the YouTube videos, if you know that your content is good and is worth watching and you have good content, you should actually try to promote your videos, because I'm going to show you why at the end of my video, why it works and it's worth trying. Even though you have to pay a little bit of money, but at the end of the day, it works really, really well. So I'm going to show you right now. Right at the top here, you see promotions. And this promotions, this is where I promote my videos. You can start your new promotions, or you can see what is happening in here. And I'm going to show you right now what are the costs of the clicks, okay, CPC, and how well it did, how much did I pay, how long was the duration is, and what is the result after I promote this video, and does it work? Does it like constantly give me views? I will show you right now. Okay, so the first thing is we're going to show you what are the cost of the clicks. So CPC is basically cost per click. Okay, so if you go on here, this is already ended, you see already, right? It's not going to be doing anymore. I'm going to show you when I press this detail, I go all the way to the bottom. This is a brief summary. I get 8 new subscribers, promote 56 times, okay, so there's 56 views on this video, okay, and there's 12,000 impressions. So that means my YouTube promote my video 12,000 times, and then I pay around $20. Let's just say if you want to see how much is it cost per click, you go on here, you go in Google Ads. When you go on Google Ads, I think I did this like last year. So I'm going to show you what are the cost per clicks. So like right here, you can see this is all the information you need to know. So there is like 5 clicks out of 12,000 impressions. So the click-through rate is only 0.04%. The average CPC is actually $4. That's why I pay around $12. Did I say $12? $20, okay? So the CPC is kind of high, so I pay more for more views, right? Try to get more views, but at the end, it's only like how many views? It's only 56 views, you can see, okay? And then conversion is only like 8%, okay? There's only 8 people watch. And then the cost per conversion is only $2.51, okay? But this is what you have to watch out, right? Cost per click will be $4. Is this what you want? So you can set up your budget, right? Let's just say if you want your budget like $5 per day, so you set up $5 per day. So this is one of the conversion rate is only like less than 1%, which is not good, okay? So now let's see my other video, okay? Let's go in. So I did this. Technically, when I did this, I didn't turn off the ad, so I didn't know it was keep on running. So it did a lot of them. Okay, so this one CPC is $3.76, and then I paid $45. Okay, conversion 11 times. Okay, and then cost per conversion is actually $4, which is a little bit high, and conversion rate is only less than 1%. It promote almost 32,000 times, but my click-through rate is only 0.04%. So if you want to get this high, then you have to pay more, okay? So you have to watch out what you want to do. So you'll be saying like, okay, so after this advertising from YouTube, not Google Ads, from YouTube, how did I do? So basically, if you based on this video right here, it actually give me extra 142 views and then extra 11 subscribers, okay, brand new subscribers, but I paid $45. So in total, I pay at least, you can see I pay $62, $65 to promote my video. However, one of my video, this how to create fake WhatsApp account with fake numbers, okay? This one here, it did pretty well. If you go on here, dashboard, I can show you right here. No, not come. I will show you right here. I get passive views, right? One of the views is actually one of the video that I promote, okay? Every 48 hours, I have 187 views. And because I promote through the ads, now this video here actually give me passive views, which is passive incomes. As you can see, I'm getting 187 views every 48 hours. It already went up to 50,000 views. 15,000 views, yes, it's pretty low. It's because my CPM is really low. That because you cannot help it, because this topic, the CPM and RPM is going to be very low. Okay, it's only like how many? Like $1.67. These type of topics is low. But imagine that you're actually promoting something that high RPM, then you are actually getting more money. Okay, so I can show you right now. Reach, if you look at my content, it's actually not almost 50%. Okay, out of like, okay, right here you can see external search. So you can see external search is actually covered 92%. Okay, so it's all from outside, not even YouTube search. This is actually Google search coming in here. As you can see, 92% is from external. Out of 92% inside this external, 50% is actually Google search. Because we actually did the promotions through Google or whatever, right? If you promote through YouTube, they actually would spread out whatever they want to promote, including Google. So you can see my Google search is actually ranked more than anywhere else, like even YouTube search or whatever. It actually ranked more than anything else. Okay, so you can see YouTube search is only 0.5%, but my external is 92%, which means that this advertising, this promotion, it actually works on this video. And let's see my other video. So the other video, it didn't do well because I think not a lot of people care too much. Let's see this one right here. So how did it do? Oh, it's still 2,800 views, but as you can see, it already died down because it already it completely gone. And I actually lost money because I paid $45, but only getting $10 coming back. Okay, so some video it doesn't work. As you can see, it reached 9%, okay, external. So which means that 9% out of 9%, there's still 42% from Google. But however, it doesn't work that way because maybe the search volume on Google, no one searched about this topic. That's why it doesn't work. But if you look at like this, YouTube advertising, 5%. So I hope this will help you to show you how YouTube promotions work, how much is the cost per click, and then how does it work when you actually someone click on it, how much does it cost, and does it work afterwards. I hope I show you this. It will work if your content is good, and if you do your research, if there's a keyword, if that's a certain keywords that someone actually searching a lot per month, your thing will work. I'm guarantee you it will work. All right, so have a nice day and stay tuned with my next video. I will show you how to create promotion, how to create ads on YouTube, not Google ads but YouTube ads. All right, have a nice day. Bye bye, peace out.